The GG module in GameGuardian contains various functions that allow you to interact with the game and the device, including copying text to the clipboard with the GG copy text function. The function syntax is simple. Text is the string you want to copy to the clipboard. It can be any text, such as a URL, a piece of information, or a message. Mode is optional. This parameter specifies how to handle new lines with \n in the text. You can use n to retain new lines in the copied text. If omitted, the function will remove new lines from the text before copying it to the clipboard. In this example, the URL variable stores the string. The function copies the URL string to the clipboard. GG Alert displays a message box to confirm that the URL was copied. The first example copies a single-line message to the clipboard without any special handling for new lines. The second example copies multi-line text to the clipboard and uses true as the second argument to ensure new lines are retained. The GG Alert function is used to notify the user that the text has been successfully copied. The GG copy text function is an essential tool in GameGuardian scripts, providing the ability to seamlessly transfer text to the clipboard. This feature is particularly useful when you need to quickly copy and paste important information such as entire scripts, local passwords, URLs, or other sensitive data. By automating these tasks, you can enhance your workflow, making it more efficient and secure, whether you're sharing data or simply managing it for personal use.